Hi there, this is tutorial about drawing simple rectangle and line with the Xcode for the iPhone programming. First, create a new Xcode project with Vue-based application and name as Quartz Test. Um, check our zip file and the classes. Here, this is the our view, which has no actually color, so it is transparent and shows gray. And we are going to add a view for drawing line set as Objective-C class, subclass as UI view, and next call as rectangle line view. See, you can, this is the superclass, so we created this rectangle line view from the UI view. And if you check the M file, you can see the draw rect and init frame. We are going to draw our rectangle in the draw rect method, and before doing it we can add our view here. What we name it? Rectangle line view. Rectangle line view. You need to add classes because you cannot see objects are rectangle view. Rectangle, oh sorry, rectangle line view. Add here actually to the view, and resize it a little bit in order to see. And add a label for testing purposes. Simple rectangle line. Call it. See how easy to use the UI. Now we are going to draw our rectangle and line into this view because we make this view, and we are going to draw our rectangle method into the method of the name drawRect. We put our code, which I made it before here. This is the code of the drawing rectangle. First, we need to take our context reference from the UI graphics get current context method, which gives our current context of the view, which is the super class of the UI view. Maybe we can say the super classes, but I'm not sure about it. And we are going to set the color with CG context set RGB fill color. Instead of using this, we can also use UI color, and with giving a color name or the values of the color and set method. But this method with option and double click, you can see as to store color data during drawing, but we don't need to store our colors, so we are going to use CG context set RGB color, which just set the current fill color, and we are going to fill our rectangle with a blue with alpha 0.5, which is a half transparent color, and make a rectangle from 20 to 20 with width and height 40 and 40, and give the context and rectangles with the CG rect make, which is a rectangle making method. Now we are going to simulate it and see if that's working or not. Yes, it's working. Now we are going to put a line, which here this is a very simple line from in a frame drawing. Now we took the context in here, in this method UI graphics get current context, so we are going to use it. Firstly, we are going to set the stroke color, which is the line color actually, and we are going to draw a path actually, not a line, because we are going to line by line as a path. and from starting 0 to 0 and move to 100 to 100, which makes the topmost left corner to the 100 to 100. This is in a frame, not in a bound, so we are going to see it like that. From here to 100 to 100, and this is red also. This is it.